Hello and welcome to this video of a demo on how to utilize UI automation functions in Cyclone RPA Designer to create a process of filling data on a web page. First, let's have a look at the scenario. In this demo, we'll design a process to automatically read information about 3 employees from the provided worksheet, open the web page, and fill in the employee details one by one. At the beginning of the process, we should first use Open Browser node to open the web page. Because later operations will open a new tab and then close it multiple times, resulting in unnecessary repeated opening and closing of the browser. Open an additional tab would keep the whole browser open and avoid such a nuisance. Then, use Excel function nodes to acquire the data. First, open the workbook. Then read range data. The starting position is cell A2. Output the result as a 2-dimensional array. Finally, close the workbook. Next, use an array iteration to fill in and submit the data on the web page. In the iteration, first open the web page. Then, use Input Text node to capture the text box and specify the input text. The first name is the first element in the currently iterated element, so the index number is 0. Similarly, capture the text box and input the last name. Use an if node to determine the employee's gender and click on the corresponding radio button. Select the country using Select Options node. Capture the menu box. And choose Matching Option Content, Accurate Matching, and set Matching Content as the 4th element in the currently iterated element, because the country data in the workbook is in the 4th column. Then, input birthday in the corresponding text box. Finally, click on the Submit button. Because the submitting takes some time, we can wait for a moment before closing the tab. In Close Tab node, we can wildcard match the title by Thank You to specify the tab we want to close. After the iteration, we should force close the browser. Run the process and we can see the employee info is filled in automatically. Furthermore, let's have a look at some additional configurations in Input Text node. Input Text node supports input text at a specified element location or with no targets. If we choose no targets, it will input the text at the cursor location, which is not recommended if the displayed content changes. The operation mode supports analog input, analog key, and background operation. In most cases, analog input is the default and recommended mode. However, in some virtual machine environments, analog input may not work properly, and analog key is recommended. Analog key is influenced by the input method. Background operation can execute the operation without bringing the related window to the front. In addition, all UI automation function nodes supports automatic retry within the specified time limit. We can further select the exception handling method. Select Options node supports standard combo box, list box, and drop-down list. We can specify the selected option using accurate, wildcard, or regular matching. And that concludes this demo on UI automation. Be sure to check out the videos on our website for more information. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.